January 13, 2023. People in Iceland witnessed an extremely rare phenomenon. A blood aurora, a strong red display of northern lights, was visible to the bare eyes. The aurora is caused by charged particles in the solar wind that collide with charged particles in our atmosphere. At different altitudes, different gases can be found. Depending on the altitude and elements involved, different colors will result. Oxygen is responsible for the red northern lights which occur at higher altitudes, generally above 125 miles. During exceptionally intense geomagnetic storms, more solar particles manage to escape our magnetic shield. The glows produced can be so intense that the whole sky turns red. Tribes under the auroral oval considered the red aurora to be a warning, or a bad omen signaling oncoming hardship. Blood auroras are said to have foretold the death of Julius Caesar and predicted the American Civil War. The Sun has a cycle of about 11 years during which it waxes and wanes, from solar minimum to solar maximum. We're now in solar cycle 25, which began in December 2019. Solar events will continue to increase as we near solar maximum, making blood aurora events more likely to happen. However, with a scientific explanation, nowadays aurora chasers don't fear the blood aurora any longer, rather than enjoying witnessing such a rare and beautiful phenomenon.